How long have you been making fudge?
I started in 1950.
Somebody who has not been here before, what advice would you give him?
You got to spend the night. You can't get it all done in one day.
Got it.
You have to be here at night and see the change that goes on.
And because it does.
When the last boat leaves, crowds are gone and everything is just totally different at night.
Can we make a little bit together?
Sure.
Can you make fudge at home? Can people make fudge at home?
If they have a marble slab.
Where are we so far here?
Well, this batch is cooled. It's ready to be worked. We're going to take these irons off and cream it.
All right, so what do we do first?
Got to turn it completely over to blend it all together.
Victor, I could smell the fudge outside.
Oh, yes.
That's amazing.
Yes.
You make it look so easy.
It is.
Why is fudge so important on Mackinac Island?
When you make candies, nothing is ever wasted. Most fudge is made from other chocolates. When you're making chocolates, everything that's left over goes into fudge, and then it gets recooked. So there is nothing goes in the garbage can.
Really?
And on Mackinac, it's pure.
How long will this go?
5 minutes.
Can I try it? Would you let me try it?
Try.
So it's this, and then just flip it over?
Yep.
All right. But you're right, you got to watch the edge. Wow. How many different flavors?
15.
About 15. Your favorite flavor?
Pecan.
Pecan. How will you know when you're done with this part of the process?
By the feel of it.
From the tool?
Yeah.
And the consistency?
Yeah.
That's so cool. What's the temperature of this right now? Ish, about?
110, 15.
What did it start at?
235.
235. I certainly can understand why people stand in the window and watch the entire process. It's mesmerizing.
Yep.
Look at the face.
Yeah.
I love it. You're so excited.
When I get done, it's going to look just like it does in the counter.
Homemade fudge seems to be the epitome of vacation. That just says vacation to me. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yep.
That's it. This entire process took how many minutes? Less than 10?
Oh, yeah. After you taste this, you'll know this is the best.
Got it.
Yeah.
Wow. Now, how long will this last?
If it's got moisture around, week, 10 days, 2 weeks. If it's in the wintertime in a dry house, it don't last long.
No, it's
because it dries out.
Because it dries out. Somebody that's never been to Mackinac Island, how do you describe this island to them?
Most fantastic place I've ever been.
Why?
I just love it here. The sights, the no cars, the beautiful scenery.
Yeah.
Quiet.
Yeah.
Yeah,
oh my gosh, look. You got to try it with me. Come on.
I got another piece. That's yours.
Oh, this is mine? Okay. Oh, come on. Oh, wow.
You all right?
Oh, I think so. That's pretty incredible, man. Oh, my gosh. Victor, thank you, my friend.